Hi everybody, this is Sejoy back another day with another unboxing. This is actually something I was supposed to buy on Black Friday, but I sort of forgot, and then I found this on Amazon instead. So let's see what it is.
Funky.
Or let's see what it is. You can see in the headline what it is. So I am very picky about mouth hygiene, my teeth. That's actually the only thing my dentist complains about every year, that I am too hard on my teeth. I brush like almost half an hour a day, more I think actually. I'm gonna get you my my EDC bag and show you what I have with me every day. So back to it. As said, I'm very picky with my teeth, with mouth hygiene. I have all kind of things, and I brush them too often, too hard, even though I have machines, etc., etc. But I'm very picky with mouth hygiene. And just to show you what I have always with me in my EDC bag. So toothbrush, is that the English word for it? I think so. And these toothpicks, sort of plastic. I also have standard toothpicks, of course, for nice breaths. Some more of those, and toothpicks with toothbrush, two kinds of them. I believe I have more for good breaths. Three different kind of, no, four different kind of, five. Yeah, so as I said, I have a bunch of things with me to keep my mouth fresh and clean and looking good. So to today's package, let me just get this out of the way. So what I've been looking at several times, it's water flosser. Yeah, that's the word for it, water flosser. And they're quite expensive if you go for the brand ones. And I believe I saw on Black Friday that maybe Oral-B or someone had one for €100 on Black Friday sale. And I was supposed to buy that one, and then I just forgot. I didn't buy anything on Black Friday actually. And the other day when I bought some other things from Amazon, I saw that they had one for a very nice price that was Amazon chosen or something, with a bunch of good reviews. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm not going to show you when I use it, but I'm gonna come back tomorrow or something, maybe this night, and let you know what I think about it. And as usual, if I like it, I'm gonna contact the company and say, hey, I'm doing a video, yada yada yada. Do you want to give my viewers a discount code? Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. But check the link in the description if I have a discount code for you. So charger and different kind of. What I liked about this one from the other ones that I've seen is that this one had a tongue washer as well. It's this one. Otherwise it's just all right. So a brush with water, nice. And then the very small picky one, and the standard one. A bit bigger than oh, there are more. All right. So a bunch of accessories, but I hope they will last a long time. But you get a bunch of them in the same size. And then we have the product itself. So you just fill it up with water. It is already charged. Different modes. All right, I'm gonna give it a try and get back to you. Sejoy is the name, Sejoy. But if I like it, there will be links in the description, or there will be links anyway. But if I like it, I will let you know. So I actually gave it a try right away. First of all, don't do it with your clothes on because the water ran from my mouth down and down in my arm. So, and don't do it in front of your mirror because I put it on high strength, of course, so it splashed water everywhere. The mode button was 4, but I felt like 5 different speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 different speeds. And you shouldn't do it. Maybe it's up to you, but with cold water, ice cold water was a little bit icy. So I put medium water instead, and that I felt a lot better. It felt good. Felt good. Wasn't glamorous, so I'm happy I didn't film it for you. Now I have to change my sweatshirt. But yeah, it felt good. So I'm gonna contact them and tell them I have a bunch of viewers, all 20 of you, and to see if I have a discount code for you. So check the link in the description for that. And that's it, actually. I recommend it. It was cheap. I think it was like 25 euro or something. So really cheap. And Amazon choice or recommended or whatever. And I also recommend it absolutely for the money. Felt good. Thanks for watching.